Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
Hello guys, so very quickly I'm going to take you through how you can set up this grass.io on your laptop or on your mobile phone. So just get the link to this page on in the video description. Ensure you use my link so that you can actually get some bonus points on you signing up. So check the description below and then you pick the link. So right now you've already picked the link and we are here already. So now this is for you to sign up, input your email, your username that you want, the password. So just leave the referral code as it is. So click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click on that you are not a robot and then you click on register. So that is after you filled in all of this. So I've already registered, so I won't be registering again. So just follow through and then you sign up and register. So now I'm going to log in right now. So I've typed in my email, my password. So click on access my account. So click on access my account. So let it load. So right now, this is my account. I've already logged in. So you can decide to use the light theme. You can decide to use dark theme, but I prefer the dark theme. So right now in this Epoch 2, I've already earned 1,683 points. So this is what I've earned today while using the app. So I've been uptime 1 hour 59 minutes. So this is my dashboard. So you scroll down. So these are some of my devices that I've connected. So it keeps on changing the IP depending on the network that you're using or the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. So, and if you want to know more, just click on your username and then click on FAQ, frequently asked questions, and you click on about grass for you to actually read more about uh, the grass mining network. So the same thing also, you can use the referral program if you have the ability to refer people, but you don't need it if you don't want to refer. So just continue with getting connected every day. You don't have to do anything, just let it be there, and then as long as you keep browsing, it will keep getting rewards for you. So just ensure that you are logged in. So my reward, so this for Epoch 1, that was my first month from January 5th to February 5th, which I was able to acquire 4,834 points. So my total uptime was 3 days throughout that period. So but currently this Epoch 2, so I'm already uptime at 23 hours, and then I've earned 1,683 points. So between February 6th till March 8th. So it will keep on reading till March 8th for me. So that is just the simple thing for you to do. So ensure that you both log in on your phone and on your system. So, but sometimes you don't have to do that when you are using your phone and then you are connecting your phone directly to your system directly to your hotspot because you are still using the same IP address. So it might get flagged. So, but sometimes it will stop the reading for you while it will continue on your system. That is if you are on the same IP address. But if you are not on the same IP address, it will read it differently, separately. I hope you get it. So that is just the simple way that you can go about this. So ensure you log in on your system and also get to log in on your mobile devices. So, and let it be like that. So it will continue to mine for you. So in this case, there is no provisions for you to actually download anything. There is no provision for you to actually download anything, but you can also visit um, Google Chrome, Google Play. So you can also visit Google Play to install the app if it is there. But I'm not sure if it is on Google Play, but whichever way, just ensure that you are logged in both on your desktop and also on your mobile devices and allow it to read for you as long as you keep browsing the internet. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're a new visitor. And until next time, bye.